You've just made a killing on that hot new crypto. Or maybe you're simply ready to cash out. Either way, you're staring at your Coinbase balance, thinking, how the heck do I get this money into my bank account, and fast? Right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the quickest ways to transfer your hard-earned crypto cash out of Coinbase. Let's get started. Understanding Coinbase. Before we jump into the speed options, let's quickly recap what Coinbase is. It's essentially your crypto gateway. You buy, sell, store, and even earn cryptocurrencies here. But when it comes to getting your money out, things can get a bit tricky. Coinbase offers several withdrawal methods, but not all are created equal when it comes to speed. The slow lane, traditional bank transfers. Let's start with the most common but often slowest method, traditional bank transfers. This is where you link your bank account to Coinbase and initiate a transfer. It's straightforward, but it can take anywhere from a few hours to several business days. Why so slow? Well, banks are old school, and their systems aren't exactly built for the lightning-fast pace of crypto. Accelerating the process, instant ACH. If you need your money a bit quicker, instant ACH might be your friend. It's a faster version of the traditional bank transfer. Instead of waiting days, you could see your money in your bank account within minutes. However, there's a catch. Not all banks support instant ACH, and there might be fees involved. The fast lane, Coinbase Pro and wire transfers. Now, we're talking speed. If you want your money out ASAP, consider using Coinbase Pro and wire transfers. Coinbase Pro is essentially Coinbase's platform for more serious traders. It often offers faster withdrawal speeds compared to the regular Coinbase platform. Once your funds are on Coinbase Pro, you can initiate a wire transfer to your bank account. Wire transfers are typically processed within 1 to 3 business days, which is significantly faster than traditional bank transfers. Crypto to fiat exchanges. If you're comfortable with a bit more complexity, you could explore crypto to fiat exchanges. These platforms specialize in converting cryptocurrencies into fiat currency, like USD, Euro, etc., quickly. Once you've sold your crypto, you can withdraw the fiat currency to your bank account using methods like wire transfer or ACH. While this might involve additional fees and steps, it can often be faster than using Coinbase directly. Choosing the right method. So, which method is the fastest for you? It depends on a few factors. How much money are you transferring? For small amounts, instant ACH might be sufficient. For larger sums, a wire transfer might be preferable. How fast do you need the money? If you need it immediately, crypto to fiat exchanges could be the way to go. Are you willing to pay fees? Some methods, like instant ACH and wire transfers, often come with fees. Verify your identity. A fully verified Coinbase account often allows for faster transactions. Check bank holidays. Bank holidays can slow down transfers. Consider withdrawal limits. Coinbase has withdrawal limits in place. Getting your money out of Coinbase doesn't have to be a slow and painful process. By understanding your options and considering the factors mentioned, you can choose the fastest method to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.